Everyone, proceed with extreme caution.
I'm securing this one now.
Secure it to the factory towing points. Ready, hold it there. Keep it coming, steady now. Secure that chain right there. Ramps down, dolly's ready. All right, ease it back now. Perfect, hold it right there. Let's document all this chassis corrosion. I'm getting close-ups of the roof and fenders. Cover's on, let's protect this interior. Watch the runoff on those mats. Mark every rust patch on this hood. We need to map every weld. Easy now, keep it steady. Put this in the lockbox. Let's get these cables labeled. Easy, lift it up. Beautiful, she's all yours. Tag every connector, hold it right there. All right, take it up slow. We are clear on the mounts. Watch that passenger side. There she is. Let's get this bay cleared out. Easy does it, watch the edges. Let's get this heavy assembly down. Let's get these off. Support the differential. Keep it steady. Organize every bolt. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Clear the frame. Let's mark out these rusted sections. Alignment checks out perfectly. Let's clamp it in place. Gaps are perfect. Let's lay down the tacks. Looks like we have full penetration here. Make sure we have full coverage on those new rails. This metal is in great shape under the rust. I'm getting into the seams here. She's completely rust-free. There is a slight ripple right here on the fender. Check that contour template against the factory specifications. This will flatten out perfectly. I'm keeping the original curve. Let's get every trace of dust off this body. Blowing out the seams now. She's ready for the booth. Surface is completely clear. Copy that, mixing the primer now. Let's check this front panel. Flawless, completely ready for base. Starting the first coat on the roof now. Starting the second coat now. Looks good, overlapping perfectly. Laying down the first wet coat now. Reflections are looking flawless. Base coat looks perfect, moving to the second clear. Flow is perfect, coverage looks completely even. Keep that water flowing. Let's lay the crank, torque it to spec. Ring gap is perfect. Installing piston 1, no binding at all. Gaskets are aligned. Perfect, gently does it. Easy does it, keep it steady. Aligning with the factory brackets now. Torque to exact factory spec. Routing the primary harness now. Tension on the alternator belt is locked. Let's lift her up a bit, line up the cross member. Perfect alignment.
Apex Restos, bringing abandoned legends back to life.